Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to write a bash script to complete blue task. Okay, so the task is we have to write a bash script that rename all .txt files to .doc files. Okay, so basically we have to rename all extension files. Okay, from text extension to extension. So we have some input that we need to consider. Okay, script script only rename the extension files, not any other files. Okay, so uh, there is example as well. So let's suppose we have file 1.txt. So the result of this script should be file1.doc. Okay, so without wasting time, let's move to our Linux screen and write some script. So friends, we are at our Linux screens. Okay, so I have some files with .txt extensions, .sh, .cv, .ppt, like that. Okay, so as per the tasks, we have to rename all these files to .doc extension. Okay, so let's start with the script. So I'm giving name like rename files .sh. Okay, so sh is for shell script. Okay, so I'm using here Vim editor. So for the Vim editor, we need to go to the insert mode to write anything. So I'm in the insert mode now. If you're not familiar with Vim editor, then please comment me and I will create a full video on basic Vim editing shortcuts and other things. Okay, so a file in star.txt. Okay, do so the first line we are actually looping all .txt files only, right? So now I'm putting a if condition. Okay, so what this if condition is doing, it's actually checking if the file is exist or not to avoid further errors. Okay, so we have checked the file. If we have the file, then we will extract the base name. Okay, base name like file1, file2, file3. Okay, we will here is splitting the .txt, and you can say we are like splitting the file name .txt file file1.txt like that into file1 and txt as a second part. Okay, so you can okay, so to that you have to write this file. Okay, that is the same file that is coming from our side or txt. Okay, so I think I have a typo. Okay, yeah, should be in the bracket. Okay, so now what it do, it will split the .txt in as a separate and file1. Okay, as one, right? So we have that kind of condition, that's why we are doing this. Okay, so after this if we have extracted the name, then we will run the mv command. Okay, that is simple. mv Okay, the file name that we want to change, that's the simple syntax of this. And we will put here the base name. Okay, and the extension that we require, right? So I hope you got this file. Okay, so our base name like file1, so it will be given here like file1 dot txt. Oh sorry, we have to change it to doc. Okay, so now the file has been renamed. So what this command is doing, mv, that is okay, move or rename file. The file is storing only the txt files. So let's suppose we have file 1.txt, so I am changing it to with the base like kind of things, file base name. Okay, that is file 1 dot doc. Okay, so file name has been changed. So now I will close the if, I will close the for loop, and we are done. Okay, so as you can see, we have the script, right? File name rename files dot sh. Okay, so but you can see the permission are not executable, right? So to run the script we have to execute give the execute permission. So I am giving execute permission to the file. Okay, so if you are not aware how this command works, you can go and check out my Linux command series for this. Okay, I will leave the link in the description. So now you can see the permission has been changed to the execution for renaming the file. Okay, now we will run this file, right? So the file has been run. However, we have not printed any message like script has been completed or something. That's why it's not prompt anything. So to verify the output, we can check the files. So now you can see the difference. Okay, that's the first file before running the script. We are having the files .txt, but however after after running the script, all files has been changed to doc extension. Okay, so our task has been completed and we have successfully created the rename file script. Okay, to change the extensions. Okay, so let me clear and let's do a quick recap what the script is done so far. Okay, so we have firstly make it like bin bash, that is only for like this script will run as a bash script, okay, on the bash shell. Next we gather all the files having .txt extension under for loop, right? Then we do a for loop on all files. Okay, so that file has been passed to check in the if condition if file exists or not. Okay, if it exists then we will rename it. Okay, so we are doing this. So this is a simple script you can use. Okay, so thanks guys, I hope you learned something new today. Okay, so I will catch up you even with some new scripts in the next video. Till then, happy practicing the bash scripting and other things on DevOps world. And if you like the content, please subscribe, share, and hit the like button. Thanks all.